someone to love me. Oh, I need someone to love me. Oh, I need someone to love me when love me when love me when love me when he just love me. He just love me. He just love me when I'm lonely. Love me when love me when love me when love me when
on the LS build, engine is going out. We're gonna rebuild it. This is the Pontiac Trans Am. So far I drained the oil, drained the coolant, removed the intake. The right way to remove this one, or the ones in the Camaro C128, is lifting it, removing the whole subframe, and the engine and transmission comes down into one piece with the subframe. But on this one, I'm gonna go another route. I'm gonna take the radiator, took the intake, I'm gonna remove the heads with the headers, front accessories, which is not that many, remove the hood. I'm gonna use the crane, I'm gonna remove the engine. So far, intake is out, so stay tuned for this one. It's gonna be a full build. From removing it, disassembling, rebuilding it, going back in. To remove the radiator or AC condenser on the Pontiac Trans Am with the LS engine, we're gonna remove the air cleaner box in the bottom. And there's gonna be only one piece: radiator, electric fans, and the AC condenser. First, make sure you have AC. You're gonna disconnect this line from here with the 10mm. Just put the bolt back in. Of course, on the main wall, you already drained the coolant. Disconnect the hoses, radiator hoses, the top one, and then on the bottom, there's not much to do. Only unplug electric connections for the electric fan, which is one here, another one in here. Get rid of the glare. Right here, the one here. And we're gonna disconnect the another AC line, which is this one right here, with a 13mm socket. Disconnect it. Before doing all that, of course, you guys already drained the coolant, which is the drain plug right here. And then everything is gonna be only one unit: electric fan, radiator, and AC condenser is gonna go out with one piece. So I'm already unplugged the AC lines, drain the coolant. I'm about to unplug the electric fans. Already unhooked or disconnected the radiator hoses. So next step, disconnect the oil coolers lines from the radiator, which is this one right here. You're gonna need a 13mm. This one here. Just be careful. Just get them loose. Unplug this one, and the other one is gonna be on the bottom. Let me go back in there. The other one is gonna be this one right here. Same way, 13 millimeter. There's loose. There. So it's gonna leak oil, so make sure you have a pan in there or any rag or anything so you can catch the oil. It's not gonna be that much, but it's a transmission oil. So once we unhook those lines, we're gonna unplug the electric fan connectors. We're good to get it up. I'll be right back. Okay, the connections for the electric fan are off already. The one from here, the one from over there. This is the little harness. And the coolant line for the transmission, which is the transmission oil that goes into there, which is this one in here. That's all the oil it dropped. So don't get scared, it's not gonna be a lot of oil. Just a little drips, so a little drops. So okay, now I'm ready to get this one out. Like I said, it's only one piece, as you can see. Let me get it out, I'll be right back. Okay, just how I told you, everything one piece. AC condenser over there, radiator over here. This one is gonna clamp in on those right there. It's a size hold. It clamps into the radiator. So put them over there. It's one piece. Now it's looking good, we have more space. I'm gonna start taking off the front things, and then the ball cover, coils, heads, headers, and the engine is going out. Stay tuned or look up for the other removal, the engine removal and then rebuild. But that's how we remove the radiator on a Pontiac Sam. Thanks.